Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn one sheet of A4 paper into an 8-page mini DIY comic that you can do at home. There are two ways that you can do this. You can either do the traditional pen to paper method, or you can do the digital method that we're going to be doing today, and that is first designing the comic on an iPad or any sort of tablet that allows you to draw, and then printing that off. I prefer personally doing digital work, so that's what we're going to focus on today, but you can easily interchange that with the more traditional method, and I'm going to show you how to do this in just a few easy steps, so let's get into it. Just before we get into today's video, I just want to quickly talk to you guys about Patreon. We have tiers starting from just £1 a month up to £10 a month that grant you digital and physical rewards, such as exclusive colouring pages, free access to our comics in PDF form, as well as exclusive content that I've been posting over the last year now. You get to see projects that are in the works before anyone else, and YouTube videos like this before they go live. We also have a 7-day free trial on each tier, so you can join us for a week, get access to everything that I've just outlined, all for free, and then at the end of that week, if it's not for you, you can cancel without giving us a penny. But if you do want to help support us, then Patreon is the best way for a self-employed artist like myself to earn a stable income, and it helps feed all 4 cats. If you would like to learn more, the link to Patreon is in the description below. Thanks guys, and enjoy the video. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is the layout of the comic, and it's really important that you lay this out correctly. So as you can see, the comic is going to be 8 pages long, and the cover of the comic is in the bottom right corner there, and that's preceded by pages 6, 7 and 8. On the flip side is pages 2 through 5, and you want to make sure that they are reversed. The reason for this will become clear once we start the folding process, and once you've done this, it is time to print it off, and it should look something like this. Once you have printed it off, the first thing you want to do is fold it lengthways, so the 4 pages are on either side, and just make sure you can get it as straight as you can. Once we've done that, you want to fold it in the middle, so it becomes 2 pages. Again, keep it as straight as you can, and then fold it once more so it then becomes that A7 page size. Once you've done that, it's time to unfold it all and get it back to an A4 sheet, and what you want to do is fold it along the middle so it folds into an A5 sheet, and just get that line nice and crisp, again keeping it as straight as you can. And then with a pair of scissors, what you want to do is chop down the sealed side. So you're just chopping halfway through, so if you can see there, it's just 1 panel's width, and then unfold that again. Then it's time to fold it, and this is where it will take the form of the comic. So if you just fold it back lengthways, and that gap should be in the middle, then as you fold it, you should notice if you keep the cover to the front, that all the pages will then be in order. So it'll be the cover, then through to page 8, and will read as a mini comic. And it's as easy as that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do have a go at making this at home, please send me a picture, tag me on social media at 7bellsco. I would love to see what you all get up to. Of course, if you do have any questions, please just drop a comment below and I will do my best to answer them for you. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as in 2024 I'm going to focus on doing more DIY comic projects like this. Don't forget to check out our cult on Patreon as well, and I will see you next time. Thanks guys.